Adventures in coring. I think I'm finally getting the hang of this. I tried this one big bowl here. Flip you around and show you. With just using this, no handle. And yeah, one smooth cut basically. We've got two nice cores here. And this time I started from the inside and worked out as somebody suggested on one of my Facebook groups. I can't remember who it was, Ron or Rick, sorry. Anyways, I also reduced the speed to around 600 for most of this cut. And yeah, it performed a lot better, a lot less hairy, a lot less scary. So I'm a pretty happy guy, to say the least. Hopefully now I can bang these out a little more often. This bowl is actually quite deep, but it'll make an interesting bowl. It's going to be a real short one. Yesterday was such a long one. It was like, what, 28 minutes? It's a long vlog. Anyways, this is just a real short one saying that I think I'm winning. I mean, oh my goodness. Ugh. How many bags am I at now? There's shavings. Oh boy. Anybody who does green wood turning. There's one bag there. There's 5 there. Those are completely full. And I've got another bag there, plus up over there. So that's like 6 bags of shavings I'm going to have to put out. Anyways, just a real quick short update vlog today. Yay! It seems to be working. I guess the old adage of try, and try again is working for me. So that's it. Real short one today, guys. Everybody take care, social distance, wear your mask, be nice to each other. I know sometimes tempers get a bit short. We got to watch that. And just stay safe and social distance. I'm doing that by working on my workshop. Okay, so that's it. Take care. Peace out. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.